Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set a guideline. Now there's many different types of guidelines, so I will put links below with the different kinds in case you don't like this one or this is not the one that you have. So you could use these for tarps, hammocks. This is a Kelty tent I'm using this on. I also know that the One Tagris and the Alps Mountaineering also uses this type of guideline. I set mine at a 45-degree
Just
angle.
wanted to show you how I do this. You know, a lot of people have questions about this. So, you pull it out to unlock it. And once you have it looped, I always keep my peg in at 45 degrees. So I'm pulling it and then just turn it to snap it. Turn it in so it locks. So you turn it back out to unlock it. Pull it to the tension that you like. Turn it in. And then it locks. Now this is the Kelty. I think it also works on the Alps Mountain tent. Just wanted to show you that. I'll put a link below where you could get this at. And I'll talk to you later.